So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. Now once you're on this, make sure that your network adapter has been enabled. Mine is currently disabled, so I'm going to enable it. So I'm going to right click on it, and now I'm going to enable it. Now it's been enabled, see if that works. Make sure that your network adapter has been enabled. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up, the network and internet troubleshooter. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you want to go to search and type in network reset. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on reset now. And then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you could just do it yourself right now. Come back into Windows and then re-enter your Wi-Fi password again, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.